So in this video, you will learn how to link Instagram and Facebook stories. So the steps are simple to follow. After you open up now your Instagram app like this now, all you need to do now, go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now tap on this as can see now menu. So after you open this menu, now allow it to finish loading. In this session now, all you have to do now, tap on this account center. After you open the account center, as you can see now, make sure you link your Instagram account and Facebook account before you can be able to link Instagram and Facebook story. So if you do not link your Instagram and Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this profiles. So from this session now, you'll be able now to link your Facebook to your Instagram. As you can see now, just tap on the add account, then you can be able now to add your Facebook to your Instagram account. After you add your Facebook to your Instagram account, just tap on this back arrow. So in this session, as you can see now, just tap on this as you can see now, sharing across profile, this one. So in this session, all you have to do now, you just go ahead now and choose your, as you can see now, share from. So now choose your Facebook like this. So after you choose your Facebook like this now, as you can see now, all you need to do now, as you can see, it says your Facebook story. So now all you have to do now, tap on this turn on button. So as you can see here, it says share to. As you can see now, if I now post a story on my Facebook account, it will automatically be shared to my, as you can see now, to my Instagram account. That's it guys on how to link Instagram and Facebook stories. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. I'll meet in the next video.